Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Yubikey with Coinbase. Begin by logging into Coinbase and navigating to Security Settings to add a new 2FA method. Choose Security Key or Hardware Key, then follow on-screen prompts to register your Yubikey. Tap the key when prompted and name it so you can recognize it later. Test the key by logging out and signing back in to confirm the setup works properly. In this video, I will show how to use Yubikey with Coinbase. Open Coinbase Security Settings and select Add a new security key, then follow the browser prompts to register your Yubikey. When prompted, tap or touch the gold contact or button on the Yubikey to complete registration and give it a clear name like Primary Yubikey. Save backup methods such as Authenticator app or backup codes in case of lost keys. In this video, I will show how to use Yubikey with Coinbase. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs nicely with the idea of securing your digital assets. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Yubikey with Coinbase. After setup, use your Yubikey whenever Coinbase asks for two-factor authentication for logins or high-risk actions. If you have multiple devices, register a second key as a backup to avoid lockout. Store backup codes securely offline and treat your Yubikey like a physical key. Keep it safe and avoid sharing it. Regularly review security settings and remove lost or unused keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.